Hi, and welcome to the Weather Guru podcast for September 4th, 2023, Labor Day in the United States. Happy Labor Day to everyone. We're looking at tranquil weather for much of the lower 48 United States. Just a few showers in the Intermountain West here from the Bitterroots down through the Yellowstone National Park and down through the central upper Rockies. Rain showers extending. Some rain showers extending in the mid-Mississippi Valley from New Orleans up to Jackson and Memphis, Tennessee, down through Beaumont and Lake Charles, basically. Some Gulf moisture. Otherwise, clear skies prevail in the southeast, the deep south, down through the mid-Atlantic and up through the northeast and the upper Midwest. Hot temperatures. The heat dome continues to rock the DFW, Tulsa, Oklahoma City, Wichita, Omaha, Nebraska area, and this heat even extends far north into Minneapolis and the Arrowhead of Minnesota. This heat dome will continue to last through Monday and Tuesday of this week. Now, elsewhere, looking at the tropics here, we have some storms, but they're well out to sea and no effects, no impacts to the United States or the greater or lesser Antilles are going to be affected so far by Katia. Post-tropical cyclone Katia is out there. This is one of the last advisories. Is going to be dying out. So it's the remnants of Gert as it accelerates past Newfoundland and the Canadian Maritimes. And there's also an area here that's going to be a high chance of development. This is going to become our next storm, which will be Lee. Tropical storm Lee looks to be forming here. It has given National Hurricane Center has given a 90% chance in 48 hours through 7 days, a near 100% chance. So this will be our next storm starting to either tonight or tomorrow morning. This is going to be Tropical Storm Lee here, coming in as its disturbance has a very well chance. It's coming off, leaving the Cape Verde Islands, heading toward the greater Antilles here, this system. And right now, they cannot rule out any U.S. impacts. It's too far out. The consensus models are showing it heading in a general northwest direction. And there's a big chance it could curve around the Bermuda high pressure there. But there's also a big chance, it depends on how strong the system is. If it's a stronger storm, the more chance that it's going to make that curve around the Bermuda High. If it's a weaker storm, there's going to be a gap, and there's more chance to go northwestward toward Bahamas and possibly impacting Florida or the Carolinas. Looking at the National Weather Service current hazard here, we do have some heat advisories in effect for Buffalo and upstate New York, the Green Mountains of Vermont, and toward north of Boston, if you're in Manchester in that area, and also down south. We also have heat extended red flag warnings for dry conditions in the heart of Texas, Amarillo, and the panhandle of Oklahoma, and in other areas too as well. Now, we have a severe thunderstorm watch in the upper parts of Wyoming, western Kansas, western Nebraska. Coming along I-70 there, I-80, be careful. There could be some thunderstorms. It could be garden variety type, but nothing too crazy. But temperatures have been hot. You can see here we have hot temperatures here. 101 in Oklahoma City, 101 in Dallas, 90 degrees in Jacksonville, 93 in Charlotte. Very hot temperatures are going to be prevailing. These are the last 2-3 weeks of the dog days of summer here as we get ready for fall equinox on September 21st, September 22nd. So this is good news. Enjoy the heat. Enjoy the warmth. Even temperatures at night holding in the 70s and 80s here. So this has been the forecast, the thunderstorm forecast. And just all of the forecasts for the thunderstorms with garden variety thunderstorms, like I said, in the upper Midwest and the mid-Mississippi Valley, from New Orleans, Jackson, Memphis, Little Rock, St. Louis, down through the Mobile, and those garden variety showers will continue as they ride around that high pressure there in the center of the country. So that's what we have going on here for the National Picture. Please be sure to subscribe to the Weather Guru for the latest interpretation of the weather as it becomes available. I appreciate your support. Take care.